It started out as a robotics class, and then we became interested in the FLL competitions. And so from the class, we formed a team of 10 students. So they have learned how to program and how to build these robots. And they have missions that they have to accomplish on a board. They also have to do a research and presentation to go with that research. They are also judged on core values, so they have to be interviewed by judges about the core values for FLL. And they are also judged on robot design and programming. So they are busy all day long at a competition. They went to qualifiers in December in Nashville, and they received the Judges Award there, which was really big. So then we were busy because then we had to get ready for state competition. And that was in East Tennessee in Cookeville. And that was against 48 teams, and they received first place in presentation.
It's just you get to learn skills that you wouldn't get to learn in like any regular class. You get to work with technology a lot more than you do in regular class. It's like pretty hard to do it because sometimes it does the opposite of what you want it to do. It just goes crazy.
Well, I asked the students the other day, what have you learned from this? And I was surprised because they said we learned how to bond and collaborate. And I thought that's pretty cool. That is what FLL wants them to learn.
We're all funny and we never stop singing and dancing and doing crazy things.
Zooming through the skies, first Lego leap.
It is so much fun to see the kids learning something that might be their future, and for them to collaborate and gain these skills, these 21st century skills during this robotics. It's fun.